Hello po, kamusta? Muli, ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Ate Ai. What made you at peace? Ano sa'yo ang kapayapaan o katahimikan? Peace is a treasure na kahit na nasa iyo na, ay mahirap pa rin makamtan. Ito ay priceless, na kahit anong yaman o nakamit mo sa buhay ay hindi mo mababayaran. You will develop it first sa iyong sariling pamilya. If chaotic o dysfunctional ang pamilya mo ay talagang mahirap itong mata mo, lalo na't walang gagabay sa'yo. Other people can find peace if they're with nature, closest and real friends, through arts and other passion that will give them sense of calm or serenity. The best way is prayer. It is simple, yet very intimate and powerful. Cry out to God and surrender everything to Him. I know it's hard to do it, lalo na kung magpatawad sa taong sumira ng buhay mo. Pero mas mahirap na ikaw ang mismong sumisira sa buhay mo because you are filled with hatred and bitterness. John 14:27. Peace I leave you, my peace I give unto you. Let not your heart be troubled. Numbers 6:26. The Lord lift up His countenance on you and give you peace. And for that, may God be praised. Amen. God bless.